I'll drive Kinsella. Some said an ultra wide. That's new starting this. That's my more show lads reached. A log of that. Give three channels in Arune. I made a video there 2 days ago. It's on the Traitors Ireland Kirchni. So we saw the last episode of Traitors Ireland. Right. We saw Magalore. It was alright. Tá mai ceappa go raibh na chéad sort couple episode. Na chéad bit a chúd na sé episode go raibh níos fearr. Ach, so níor an couple episode journal. Tá mai ceappa beidir stoigh mai an ar a páidí an, le bhí páidí an bhí sé níos fearr. Mo Williamson. Níor a percent of raw iontach ag na John Bailey bhí fácaí. You know, the climax, the final episode, as I was saying there, gailge. A bit disappointed, a bit flat, I thought. Can't go sure about sort. Lum, no, sort. Can't go sure iontach. I think because of Podgy not being there as well, he had this kind of personality. Not that I'm saying the others lack personality, but they don't have much personality or great personality. You know, they're all kind of bland enough, really, to be honest. Just sort of laugh. Bland, whereas Podgy had more personality. I knew níos percent of it. As ní bhfuil ar deachan trúr ban agus cúteag míle den ina chat mai ceap. So they only got 15,000 each. Kept me gur ba 50 million or the king. So I thought it was going to be 50,000 each. Well, that cúteag míle go just 15,000 euros nice. It's not as nice as 50,000, you know. But my ceappa ceann na Sasan agus ceann san Australia is not réile being níos mhairigid. I think the ones in the other countries have a lot more, I think, much bigger prize money. So after going through all of that, that's, you know, psychological trauma, I suppose, you know, and bullying and everything. And ní Nedichin that well, it's like a jazz, Kujak me like a jazz 15,000 is nice, but compared to the other countries, you know, 50,000 is a lot nicer. Of Adnis Chifsha. It's a Carcalore. Yeah, just a bit disappointed, I thought. You know, I just didn't think it was that great. And it's kind of getting on a bit as well. Like the first kind of 4 or 5 episodes were the best, I'd say. And started to kind of peter out a little bit after that, I think. So my cap we found need some around my list. I might watch it again if they do a season 2 or whatever, but I think they just, I think because it was so new and everything, gur new, gur hanne se le go leir daoinach. Ní sam rubach at lab and this my rubach I'm a bit kind of fed up with it now, kind of. I watched about 10 episodes, 12, 14, whatever episodes. And Shaz Rudella fresh, and another thing as well, the après show, après match, the analysis of Rud na year. That's just not anyway, look, sort nothing na Twitter me bit na thing agus we just sort lads on. You know, I don't like the after show. I think it's boring, and they just give vacuous opinions, really, and afraid to kind of say really things as well. I don't know. I think it's just they're filling time, filling airspace, and it's RT really pushing it. And you know, in fairness, like I did enjoy it. Hannes alum. Hanny my soul as is the sort of Ní some main druicht céin a ríiste might just in a say sir, though I don't think it'll have the same pull, the same draw, the same druicht, the same magic as season 1. Mo Williamson my opinion. Ach nífach a sad beidir go daine se beidir mar ní seár. So my own chat ní smooth Podgy, couple of Podgy breiche beidir. A few more Podgys maybe. It might make the show better even, who knows. Beidir níl sam. No, Beidir could gonna no that's not none of the chasiad you starting a class and you know the tricks or the puzzles that's that Europe Ibromach They must have jumped in these far, Beijing, if they improved or got better kind of puzzles, more interesting maybe. Os as in these far, fresh. These more eggs a lot. Mind it in this. My camper goes at let's say sort of doing. I think they are going to make season 2. Since just start to catch up with 2 anyway, just I enjoyed it, but that's that. Right tomorrow, but Thursday I enjoyed it. Thursday There's another sort of bit. That's that now. It's the band of football, no rugby, no. Rud the bit of telly, chagan cert. Harry's time of a sort of Thursday gun road that's into you. After a while, you get a bit of fatigue, I suppose. So kind of traitors fatigue, basically, nearly san. Kindoch, we shall go ma. It's like Ben of the RT, the Tama. It's probably one of the best things that's been on RT in a long time, anyway, Jared. Oh, Jared, big Lord Chef with your RT. There's a lot of crap, a lot of nonsense, a lot of crap on RT, so it's definitely one of the better shows. Keench, got ain't doubt. I thought it's in the sunny channel, no question chat. The sunny chat fire. Shut up, Tawai. Shouldn't I your chat? Shouldn't I watch the half, me too? 4. Oh, sunny. It's on Kylie Burger Chin. So let's just, I guess, so Kitali young man is, what else did I do now? Something in the voon. Jonah Voon, said Jonah Voon, he's taking a piss, said in the voon. So the moon is piss. But say Narasakabashin for the people who don't know that. That's your word of the day. Fuckalale, moon, piss. And scalp. That's a scalp. Scalp. Crevice, I suppose, is this or a merla, isn't that? I think that's the translation. Marabagalamu, if I'm not mistaken. That's Mr. Machina. Carker, Archaho. Carker. Shin fuckal in saying it an hour. Which are watching is more than this man is more than the sugar. It's said more often on in this man and in this more Carker. But what Carker means is a hill. Hill road hill. So Carker. So this is a Carker we're coming up to now. Sam McCailin Carker Arch on Home. So this is where kind of entering kind of Arch on Home. Place of the cove or the coon is like bay or cove or so Arch on Home. And I just thought I said it's no ruta being show ruta seal colony, lots of seals where we have the top of the hill here and all. Neil also more in the sea tall to shut also in this not your home. Neil said more meal to company everything in the small no in the small. They're kind of small really compared to the ones in the small and the small, but they're cliffs nevertheless. So to much in here. As near get a jump up tomorrow, you wouldn't want to fall off them anyway, that's for sure. That's just all hard. Say much, After with a hoog, say later, 5, 6, 7 meter high, maybe. Major gem meter, maybe 10 meters, possibly. Yeah, it's a soft moors, and it's about beach of a couple of Nishmans in the small, like they're tiny compared to the cliffs in Nishman in the small especially. And the halls of a road from that bar, and the cliffs of more. How's the tile? When there's a tile on the east, I think it's no room to. Well, I can't watch it's not for chin. I'm going to zoom. I think it's can't watch it's chin. Didn't zoom well. Yeah, chin. Yeah, chin ruin snav. That's a seal swimming there. I guess it's mine since the goal right here. I guess usually when there's low tide at a tile and east Ficking to galore round and you see lots of seals there when the slow tide. Strain cherry, that's tourists there now. Strain cherry, we say strain cherry anyway. Yeah, so ficking to galore round to chinnach. And yeah, I'm kind of warning you, I've only seen one there so far. And when I come in the shack, I've been tailing you see, the tide was lower when I went out. But so Sligo could tell it, you know, there's probably more there somewhere. And if I kind of a journey this species in I come much. On sunny out and you're a sunny. So room I wrote the kitchen to make a massive video. To make every my kindsland nomad. I turned off the video accidentally and I think I was talking for about a minute. It was nothing recording, so I was just talking to myself for a minute or possibly more. Er more reached. I'm going to make an ultra wide. Come on, the sunny to the east. So, kind of much are no madale, I guess. Kind of much are sky in Elle. In a bowl of apple. So, bowl is the word we use for field here on the islands. Eleanor, bowl. In a bowl of apple. Bowl of apple. So, a horse. Field of the horse. Field of the horse. Bowl of apple. I guess, that's in the I was in the it doesn't this I'll go back in what's in this oh sure, I think it doesn't this. See this here now. See that stone there now. So what you call that here is a spala. So cunning on cloch buxen, cloch more when you smooth in the water, cunning chester stager. So the small this is a spala, the small stone, like a wedge I suppose. You place it under a bigger stone and it keeps the bigger stone then on top in place. Like a small spal about beijach. A spal about beijach man. Cloch more milchach och an like a tiny little spal that can keep a stone that's, you know, 20 times heavier or more in place, steady in place. And then if you take the spal, then all of a sudden it can loses its balance. So the spal on top of it, we can't chin. That's another one here underneath. That's in his can't chin. That's another one there. That's keeping the bigger one on steady on top. I guess take a lower something. I think the can't chin. Here's another spal. Spal chin into kind of catching in the water. I guess another chin. So that little spal there keeps all these bigger stones then up on top. Steady as she goes, as they say. Let's go walk with the chin in the sun and go in with the Jack. Oh, my car is cast up. I see Kakalo. Could you come with the originish? The Shanus Curia. The Shanus Curia is like a hair. Oh, sunny for sure. Kakalo, Masha, walk with the chin. I'm Hain, sunny, Kylie Bug, Ax Mahain, Slong of Fold.